Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your name on YouTube, which means how to change your YouTube channel name. For that, go to YouTube and log in into your YouTube account. Then you need to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen on YouTube and choose view your channel. Now from inside view your channel, you want to choose customize channel over here. Once you do that, it'll take you to the customization page. Now from this page, you want to choose basic info. Under basic info, you will see name. Now to change your name, remove the current name you have and type in a new name. So I'm going to type in YouTube Kevin. This is going to be my new name. After I choose the name I want, I can click on publish and my change will be confirmed. Now remember, you cannot change your name again until 14 days. So if you're okay with that, then click on publish. If you're not, do not change your name because as I said, you won't be able to change it again for the next 14 days. That is how you guys can change your name on YouTube. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.